All right, replacing that old board with the new controller. So looking down in there, I looked on the old board to tell, so you can see these ones with the stripe on it. There's 2 wires coming in here. This one is to the motor, the stripe, and then this one is coming straight from the wall, and I checked it with the multimeter. So those are going into the back of this on AC, upside down, and then the DC, those 2 right here, are going to the motor. So if we then just tuck this back in here, boop, just like that, and we'll make a little, we can use the machine to make the faceplate. But if we plug this in, there we go. We should get a green light. Awesome. And then if we turn this dial, hopefully, I haven't tried this yet, it will run the machine. We'll see. Hey. Okay, a little faster. I think that's working. Sweet. Very cool.